Welcome to the first video of the channel. Not a real comfortable position, but I thought it looked cool with the mirror shot. I'm gonna try to keep the intro short and explain what we're doing in the video. So we'll see how that goes. Basically, we're gonna be going, we're gonna be going somewhere. I don't know where we're going yet, but I'm gonna be taking y'all to come take some pictures with me. I've been actually wanting to do this for a while, and yeah, I finally just was like, you know what? I'll get a camera and then do it. Talking about this camera, which I got about like 15 minutes ago. This is a DJI. Let's see if we can focus. That's the DJI Osmo Action 4 camera. I was either thinking about doing that or the GoPro. Decided to go with the DJI. I'll probably be unboxing it in a separate video. Maybe I'll make it like a short. I've tried to do unboxing videos before and yeah, they didn't turn out good. And we're gonna also be using this. This is the GoPro chesty mount. Don't know, I just looked up to see if they were compatible. They said they were compatible, but I'm not sure, so I kept the receipt just in case. I just really wanted to get the video done, so yeah. Basically, that's gonna be strapped to my chest, and y'all are gonna be walking around with me. Before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're a photographer, comment what type of photography you do. Yeah. I think I covered everything. Yeah, let's get into the video. So we have made it to the spot. When I first got here, I had no idea where I was going. I'm not gonna lie, this is my first time being here. It's about like 3 minutes from where I live, so hopefully it's pretty nice. But if you see over there, the nature trails are over there. I was like going all the way over there. I had no idea. We're still on the main camera, but we are about to switch to the GoPro. Not the GoPro, the DJI Action. I got it attached already, so let's switch. I'm kind of happy that it's kind of shaded because I'm not gonna lie, it's super duper hot out here. Since this is the first video, you gotta comment below if you guys want me to do more talking or kind of just more on the quieter side. For this video, I will probably just do like a balance between both. Hopefully everything looks good. We're taking pictures with the EOS RP, and then we have the Sigma 35mm lens. So, oh, and we probably won't be out here for that long because obviously I didn't charge up the battery. I kind of just wanted to come out here and test it out. I don't know which way to go. Man, I hope I do not get lost. Nah, I'm not gonna get lost. I'm low-key a pro at doing these type of trails. Don't want to toot my own horn. You see how bright it is though. Like if we weren't in the woods, you see how bright it is? It actually feels really good. I wore a hat. I didn't need to wear a hat. I didn't know it was gonna be shaded. Getting some pretty good pictures so far though. Like, look at this. Nice point of view pictures. Yeah. And then we get to see how good the DJI does in like the low light. So that's kind of nice. It's actually not too dark in here, honestly. I know this picture kind of seems like it's dark, but it's not too dark. Oh yeah, another reason why I decided to go with the DJI instead of the GoPro is because I heard the GoPro overheats a lot. And then the DJI doesn't really overheat. I need to find a better way to say DJI. See if we can get like a down angle. It said there was about like 3 different trails, so probably have to come back another time. Let me know how the audio sounds too. That's also another reason why I went with this one instead of the GoPro, because the audio seemed like it sounded better on this. And I normally don't shoot like, you know, I usually use the viewfinder, but I feel like it'd be more, you know, interactive if I use the actual touchscreen. The light's kind of looking good, like this way. That's kind of tough. Then we'll do this side. You know, when I went to college, I shot nothing but like landscape. But now that I'm not in college or like shooting for class, I feel like I'm shooting more like portrait. This like dirt is like super soft. It feels like soil more than like dirt. That may sound stupid, but hopefully you get what I'm saying. We can go that way. I was debating on whether we should go back or not, but we can go this way. I don't know why. I don't know what forced me to wear slides. Like, I usually wear shoes when I go on, like, when I do like a nature trail. Like, I have no idea why I didn't put on some shoes. Turn down the ISO a little bit. Up the aperture. Nice point of view shot. Oh, we got some more river. I will say this river looks pretty disgusting. I low-key haven't been following any of the like red marks at all. I have not been paying attention at all. Let's get a landscape shot. We have been shooting nothing but portrait. we go. Like something like that, maybe. Oh, that spider web is crazy. I'm gonna show you guys. Hold up. Yeah, that looks nice. Bro, look at this spider web. Can y'all see that? I don't think my camera can pick it up though. Hold up, let me see. Let me see. No, I can't pick it up. If I got closer, but that's not happening. Let's start following the red marks. The tree is kind of nice. I can feel the bugs landing on me. There's some mosquitoes out here. Usually I don't get bothered. There's another spider. It's another spider web. Usually I don't get bothered by mosquitoes, but they're bothering me today. Oh, look at that. We just made a little loop. Should we end it or should we keep going? Is the question. Should that be, I don't know. Let's see what time it is. 1:44. We've been out here for 15 minutes. Let's keep going. We can keep going. Maybe stop it at 2. Maybe. I don't know. There's a lot of spider webs out here. Out into the burning sun. As you can see, we are back at the mirror. The camera died because obviously it didn't have that much battery life. I just opened it up, so yeah. But we got 13 minutes. And I look back at some of the footage, and I actually kind of like what I saw. I can actually hold the camera up more than I thought I could. So some of the camera angles are going to be kind of low, but it's cool. Oh, this is what it looks like in, outside of the box. Come on, focus. You got it. You got it. Yeah, there it is. That's how it looks like. So we go charge it up, and we're gonna be back with another video. So I don't think I ever explained how I'm gonna do it, but I guess you'll find out because I guess this is the end of the video. So ain't no need for me to explain it now. Yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And comment some things you would like to see or some things I could do better. Comment some places that I should go. Yeah. Bye-bye.